Hi everyone, I'm Cookie Yuki. Welcome to my channel. Only thing you need is copy paper, scissors, crayons, and your imagination. In the middle, I'm using those pens to show you where to fold, but you don't need them. They're just for me. Let's go. Let's make square at first. Bring this short edge to the long edge, folding from this corner all the way down there, diagonally. Okay, you got the square paper. Here is the crease in the middle. Let me draw a line here. Okay, and you're gonna make another crease just like that, and it's gonna end up being like a crisscross. So bring this corner to that corner. Okay. When you open up, crisscross crease, let me draw a line here again. Okay, now you're gonna make a rectangle. Open up. You see the new crease here. Let me draw a line again. There you go. And this is the center of this shape. So you're gonna bring this pointy corner on the left bottom to there. And same, this corner there. Then there's already a crease, so it's so easy to fold in half. Fold this in half. Okay, let's make the bird head. Okay, so you're gonna fold this pointy corner down. Okay, let me take this camera a little lower, then that's easier to see. So I just got the crease like this, and let me draw a line. Let's use a different color. How about green? Okay, green crease right here. And when I open up, there's a crease here too. So let's draw a line here. Then this edge, I'm going to use a different color. How about yellow? Okay. So I'm going to change the angle. I'm going to lift this up. I lift it, and can you see two green and one yellow? So you're gonna push the yellow line down. Then try to bring two green lines together. So you're squeezing them. And change the angle and fold. You got the bird head. Good job. Now be aware that there's a diagonal line. Okay, let me draw a line again. Let's use yellow this time. Just like that. Okay, so you're gonna divide this line in three. So this is 1/3, this is the other third. It doesn't need to be that precise, just be aware that your drawing, dividing in three. So let's mark the first one from the back, just like that. Okay, so you're gonna use the scissors to cut the paper. You put them together like this, all the way to the blue. Okay, then here is a wing. You're gonna lift this up and fold. Flip to the other side and fold, just like that. When you flip it, there's a bird. You can make a little variation of the tail. It's quite simple. Here is a diagonal line, and you're gonna bring this edge to yellow just by folding, just like this. Okay. Let me draw a line with green here. And flip to the other side, or actually this side. Okay. Draw a line here, just like that. Then here is the center, so I'm going to draw a line like that. Then I open this up. I'm going to push this blue one down, just like this, and fold, fold, and I'm going to put greens together. Yeah? So here's another kind of bird. Let me compare with the first one. Here's the first one, and this is the second one. You see? They are slightly different. The tail is different, but basically the same. Good job!